Hi, I'm Ben Schachter, broker and president of the Signature Real Estate Companies, one of the largest independent real estate companies in the entire country. I want to give you an opportunity to learn a little bit about myself. Born and raised in New York City, moved to South Florida about 30 years ago. I've been in the real estate business since I am 15. I have done everything from answering phones to filling the copy machine to unjamming the fax machine to running one of the largest companies. And few and far between can I tell you, I've never had another job outside of the real estate space. What makes me different as a real estate broker is my unyielding commitment to helping my agents, who frankly I look at as my customers. The realtors, their customers are the buyers and the sellers, the landlords and tenants of properties. My customers are the real estate agents. My commitment is very simple. In my brokerage, we are completely agent-centric. All of our decisions, all of our operations, every initiative we put forth, top of mind is how is this going to benefit and help our real estate agents. I work 24 hours a day, and that's not just an understatement or an overstatement. It's a matter of fact. I make myself available by phone, text, and email, and I'm able to do that because I have a remarkable management team that I surround myself with. More than 35 different people handling different aspects of the business to help me free up my time so I can help you make your real estate career as productive and as successful as possible. I look forward to the opportunity to get to meet you in person when you're here at the Signature office, and more importantly, I look forward to helping you maximize your real estate career and be as productive and as successful as happy as you possibly can be. Have a great day.